Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can use Photopea to create a YouTube thumbnail. So first, what you will have to do is of course make sure that you're using the latest Photopea web editor in your browser and have your images and title text ready. This is helpful by the way so that you can make eye-catching thumbnails quickly without Photoshop. So yeah, first open your photopea.com, and once you're here, you will have to click new project or file, and then you will click next new project. And then once you're here, you will set the width to 1280, and then the height as 720. And then you will click create, which is right here. And then once you're done, you will just have to click file again, and then you will click open and place. And now what you will have to do is you will add your background image or drag and drop an image onto the canvas. Then after you added your picture, then you will just have to resize with edit, which is right here. And then what you will do is click free transform, which is right here once you already have your picture. Or you can also press Control Alt and T and then hold shift while dragging a corner to maintain the aspect ratio. And after that, you will add text with the type tool, and then you will click the canvas so that you will be able to type your title. Then in the top bar, you will choose your font, your size, and the alignment. And for a bold thumbnail, you can increase stroke or add a layer, which is right here. And then you can pick your layer style or whatsoever, and then you will click stroke and then set size to 6 to 12 px. And to make your subject pop, you can duplicate the subject layer, and then you can go to filter, which is right here. And then you can click blur, or you can choose from any of these. And that's basically it. And by the way, if your screen looks a little bit different, the main steps are still file, and then you will click open and place, and then you will click the type tool, and then you will edit, then you will click edit, and then you will click free transform. And yeah, that's basically it. And once you're done with your once you're satisfied with your thumbnail, you will just have to click export. And then yeah, that's it. And by the way, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.